We've tried the absolute selecting method. Next, let's try the relative one. Before starting the following lessons, once again we need to review the difference between page elements and nodes. Page element is a type 1 node. All elements are nodes, but not all nodes are elements. Take a look at this example. We've got a UL list. This list has 3 list items. For a certain reason, only the UL tag has an ID. If we want the first LI tag, what should we do? First, we go to the UL tag using getElementById. This is where the DOM tree is particularly helpful. The first LI tag is the first child element of the UL tag. Using a property called firstElementChild, we can retrieve the object representing the first child element. Apart from firstElementChild, there is another property called firstChild. There is a big difference between these two properties. FirstElementChild will only select type 1 nodes, but firstChild will return any node as long as it's ranked as the first one. If we try firstChild here, we will not get the first LI tag. Instead, we will get the empty text node representing the white space between the starting UL tag and the first starting LI tag. Let's prove this. We can see after we have switched firstElementChild to firstChild, we get a different value. #text. #text means empty text node. Each node object has a property called nodeType. It can tell us the node type. We can see the result from the firstChild property is type 3, but the result from the firstElementChild property is 1. If we add the comment immediately behind the starting UL tag, the result from the firstChild property is 8. Type 8 node is comment node. If you want to know the total child element number, you ask the child element count property. If you want to know the total nodes number, you first need the child nodes property. The child nodes property will give you an object representing all nodes. The new object has a length property, which can tell you how many nodes are inside. We can see, due to all the indents, there are more nodes than elements. If we remove all the indents, the two values will be the same.